Hello everyone, my name is Morgan McLeod and I am a junior at Central Michigan University. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Native American power bowl based off the Three Sisters Garden. For some background, Native Americans ate with the seasons and with the food that was available to them at the time. When Native Americans were forced on reservations, they moved away from traditional, nutritious foods and began eating government-issued foods. As a result, the CDC has concluded that Native American adults are twice as likely to be diagnosed with diabetes. So the Power Bowl will consist of wild rice, corn, squash, beans, and fish. Wild rice, which will act as our base, is native to the lakes and rivers of both the Great Lakes region and Canada. Once as plentiful as grass itself, wild rice, which grows on long, delicate stalks, was easily found along rivers, sloughs, and lakes throughout the northern woods. Corn, squash, and beans, who will not only act as our vegetable blend, will also be the representatives from the Three Sisters Garden. Traditionally, women of the village would mound the soil and plant corn in the center of the hill. Once the corn came up, roughly 2 weeks after, they would then plant the beans around the cord ceilings, followed by the squash seeds at the furthest distance from the corn. This form of growing these vegetables worked very well because the three plants complemented each other. The corn gave the beans a place to climb, the beans provided nitrogen to the corn roots, and the large squash leaves provided shade and living mulch which helped to deter weeds and hold moisture in the soil. Fish, which will act as our protein, are caught using multiple techniques including spearfishing, angling, as well as netting. While spring and fall were the primary product times when fish would travel to shallow waters, some tribes would continue fishing in the winter and preserve the fish through smoking, drying, and freezing. Furthermore, once all ingredients are put together, your bowl should look similar to this one right here.